Hi everyone, on today's segment I'll make a white bean rotini pasta salad. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and olive oil to a pot of water. Once the water comes to a boil, add a package of rotini or your favorite pasta. Drain in a colander, add some olive oil to prevent the pasta from sticking. Slice 1 large white onion. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half. Rinse, dry, and chop 2 cups of parsley. Drain a can of white beans. To saute the onions, you'll add 2 tablespoons of neutral oil to a hot pan. Add the onions, season with a bit of salt, and cook, stirring occasionally until they're soft and caramelized for about 8 to 10 minutes. Add your cooled pasta, the remainder of your ingredients, the seasoning, and then combine. And there you have it, another quick, easy, and healthy recipe. For more texture and flavor, you could even add some green or red bell peppers. For a low-carb version, you can reduce the pasta by half and add some grilled chicken. Thank you again for watching, and if you like what you just saw, don't forget to drop me a like and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.